Today we will show a little bit what we are doing with the EQ. The EQ is something that I'm using every time more. It can be applied for many different treatments. Personally, I'm using it in the face to make the skin glowing, and everybody is very happy. They're always coming back for more treatments because really they see everything is getting better. And then there is the other composition of the EQ. There is the hair complex. The hair complex, in my opinion, is probably the best treatment to treat, problems of the hair loss, and so on. The full treatment of the hair complex is 5 times. Do it 5 times with a week of gap between each session. And normally, a few months later, the patients are seeing that the hair get better, they are losing less hair, and they are even see how new hair are growing up. So, what are these products? Both of them are growth factors, but coming from stem cell cultures. This is the main difference with the PRP. Because with PRP, of course, we are using growth factors, but there are thousands of growth factors. From the PRP, we can get just a few of them, and even the other thing is that we cannot concentrate those growth factors so much. The EQ are growth factors coming from stem cell culture. There are practically all of them, thousands, and they are very highly concentrated. So this is probably the main difference between using PRP and the EQ. Really, I've been using this product since more or less 4 years now for many different purposes, and everybody is really happy with the results, and they're always coming back to repeat. Now I will show you how I'm using the EQ. I always prefer to use the dermapen and not injecting. First of all, because injecting is more painful, and then the other important reason, especially in the face, is that injecting is very easy to have bruises, and of course for the patient would be worse. There is something else. With dermapen we are creating thousands of small holes in the skin that will allow the product to be absorbed perfectly from the skin and from the scalp. And the dermapen is activating the blood circulation. So I think that we have many reasons to use dermapen and not inject. With the dermapen, I am creating the small holes that will allow the EQ to be absorbed by the skin. So if you see, this machine is very nice. It's moving very fast microneedles. So we are creating, like small holes in the skin. And of course, my assistant here is applying, the product. I'm going to treat the scalp for the hair loss. The treatment is exactly the same. She will help me applying the product, and I will use the dermapen to make the holes and allow, everything to be absorbed. And then for the hair, the best way to use the hair complex is to have 5 sessions of this treatment with 1 week of gap between each session. And then during the week after the session, the patient will have some of the growth factors to be applied after the shower in the scalp and leave them acting the whole day long. Okay, let's start.